Welcome to my cozy corner where I discuss everything I'm obsessed with right now, and currently it's vinyl records. And yes, I know it's trending and everyone's getting into it, but I just discovered hand-me-downs. Now Gen Z is going to be the first generation who's going to get things instead of wealth. We are in such deep economic crisis that you see your grandparents and your parents emptying out their savings because they don't have time for retirement, and with Gen Z staying at home more, your expenses are kind of getting higher. So the way people are giving hand-me-downs, that instead of property, instead of money, most of us are set to inherit things, because the boomers were obsessed with collecting stuff. And in the stuffs that I have got, my grandfather left a record player from his time. It's a proper functioning gramophone that he had back in the 1940s or 50s or 60s, or maybe all throughout of them, but he had it when he was young, and he had a lot of records that my father took because no one else in the family wanted that kind of junk. So all this time it has been staying in my house, and I thought it was just a showpiece when I started discovering vinyl records. So I was invited to a listening party and they were playing a vinyl, and I went back home thinking, I need to be on this. I need a vinyl player. I searched up on Google. The prices were insane. I cannot afford that, and every LP or vinyl or record is so expensive. And then I was literally talking to my dad about it, that oh, I really want to get into this hobby, but it's so expensive. I'm having second thoughts given the time and economy right now. And my dad said, vinyl player, like a gramophone. And I said, gramophone? And he's like, you don't know what a gramophone is? Let me put you on this. He dust off this instrument that's just been lying around for so long, and I thought it was just junk. But he goes like, I have been waiting for this moment. And he teaches me how to play the whole thing, the shebang. And it's actually working. And I was so happy. I would have shelled out 15,000, 20,000 rupees. And now I just have this. Record players go up to 50,000, 1 lakh. I have this gramophone which was my grandfather's, and he was a junk collector, and now his junk is being used wisely. And then my father, he literally showed me all the records and vinyl we already have of songs that are not in production anymore. I felt like I fell into a landmine of like just amazing collecting. I was Aladdin in that cave, and there was all gold around, and I was like, oh my god, this is worth so much. And now I have a new obsession, I have a new hobby, and it didn't have to be that expensive because I just continued my grandfather's obsession. Do you have something in your family, a hobby or an obsession that you're just carrying on in the name of culture, or you're getting into because it's in your DNA, or your parents were into, or your grandfather was into it? Do you share that kind of bond with your parents where they show you things that excited them as kids, and now they're happy to share that talent with you? Let me know in the comments. In case you didn't know me and want to discuss more about record players, I'm Ira, and this is my Cozy Corner.